Alright guys, today I'm going to be doing a remake of a video I made a while back. I already deleted it so you can't watch it again, but it's how to run Windows on a Mac. So I didn't really do a very good job. I don't really think I walked through the entire process, I just kind of talked about it. So I'm going to show you actually how to get it step by step. So first of all, you need to go to like Firefox, Safari, whatever your internet browser is. And then go to Google. Type in VMware Fusion download, and then click on the first sponsored one, which is vmware.com/fusion, and then you're gonna want to buy this program. Yeah, it's $80, and you can get free upgrades for the next 12 months for $100. Because I'm not sure how much it is for every upgrade, but you know, whatever. So it's kind of pricey, but for you guys out there who don't like to pay for stuff and you know how to download for free, you can go ahead and do that. I'm guessing it works just the same, but I do recommend you buy it because it's better and legal. Alright, so once you download that, set it up and everything else, but I already have it. So once you do that, just open it up. Have it over here on my second monitor. As you can see right here, I already have Windows XP running fully. Everything is fine. It's good. You can do full screen mode, whatever. Internet works. I have it shut off, my internet right now, because I install a program, but internet does work. But I'm going to show you actually how to install it on there from scratch. Alrighty, so I don't want this anymore. So when it open up, it'll just look like this, but without this thing up here. And there's always different options. You can click on any of them, but just if you want to do it the way I'm doing, just click install Windows or another operating system in a new virtual machine. And also I kind of forgot about that, but you need to have a copy of your operating system that you're running on your Mac. So you need to go out and buy the installation CD for XP, Vista, Windows 7. I think you can find somewhere on the About or the Preferences or something like that what all operating systems it supports. I think it supports Linux and Ubuntu and some other weird ones, but yeah, it definitely works for all the Windows and stuff like that. So you can either download the ISO image off the internet for free, which I don't. I stripped this off of an installation disk that I had, and yeah, but it's best if you use the disk, like a Windows 7 you went and bought a Best Buy or something, the actual disk. But I actually downloaded Windows 7 from their website, and I paid for it and everything, and it was just an ISO image, so that'll work as well. Now for blabbering, I don't know, whatever you call it. But if you have it as a .iso image, .iso, whatever, click continue without disk. But if you have it as a installation disk, it's on a disk, you can just put it into your super drive, which is the disk drive on a Mac. But I'm going to click continue with that disk, and if you have a disk in there, which I do not, maybe I do, nope, you can just select it from here, or I can click use operating system disk image file, or you can use an existing virtual disk and all this other stuff. But if you're doing the way I'm doing, just click the second one, find your .iso. You can also just burn an ISO to a disk if you want it on a disk, and then click continue. Make sure it's set. So where's all these ones right here? Microsoft Windows. It'll automatically adjust to whatever is on the ISO, but just to confirm it, you just want to make sure that it is XP Professional, which it is. Click continue. You can use easy install, which is best. Type in your display name you want for it, your password, and your product key that comes with your Windows. So, but I'll just go ahead and do this real quick. I don't have a product key, so I'm just going to do the trial, which you can do. I can continue without the key. You do more seamless or more isolated, you just read the both of those. Let me read them real quick actually. Alright, yeah, so pretty much a brief summary of this. More isolated, it's just like Windows and a Mac. There's no file sharing between them. You can set it to share like one folder or something, which is what I have it set to. But there's no like integration between the two. And more seamless is just like you can edit files from either operating system and you can open them in each different one. It's complicated, just read it. But I prefer the more isolated. Click continue. Here's just the overall stuff. Disk size 40 gigs, memory 512. That's pretty much standard, but if you want to customize it, just click customize settings and then it'll just save it. Like so it'll save it as a settings file kind of, and then you can adjust the memory and all this different stuff and what folders you want to share and everything. And I would go ahead and check mark this box if you only have one operating system running through VMware Fusion. So it'll just automatically open it, so you want to click on it and everything, and just click finish and save it. But I don't have it saved, and then it'll just take you straight to the process you would do as if you installed it on a regular computer. Like it'd go through all the setup and the file installing, stuff like that. But then yeah, you can also change your settings. You can just click on it once it's installed and go to settings, and then this is all the stuff you can change. Like I have mine set to 20 gigs. I'm just sharing one folder of my pictures because I'm only using my Windows XP for Photoshop, so I'm sharing my pictures. And then you can just click resume from that menu once you reload VMware Fusion. I don't really need this anymore. And then voila, you get Windows XP, fully functional. You can install any programs on there. Internet works, which I'm still pretty sure I have mine turned off. Yeah, I only turn it right back on real quick to show you that it works. Alright, and I have it turned back on, so let me just refresh the page. And let it finish. Yeah, it's going to take a little while for it to load, so I'll be back in a sec. Alright, actually that website took too long to load because I had a bunch of stuff on it, but here's Google. It works perfectly. Never mind. Of course, right when I do that, it doesn't work. I don't know what's happening, but there we go, now it works. It usually doesn't do that. But you guys get the point. Internet works, it's connected. So thanks guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Please comment, rate, subscribe, and donate. Oh, and also, since today is Super Bowl Sunday, wait for the next picture to pop up as my wallpaper. I do not really like the Saints, but I'm going with the Saints over the Colts. As you can see, I got my gold eyes, my Saints. So I just want to put that out there. So thanks guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Please comment, rate, subscribe, and donate.